So if you're thinking about moving to the Augusta, Georgia area and you're seeing headlines about winter weather, about ice storms, it's really true. I want to show you what what it really actually looks like in real life here in Augusta, Georgia, as we prepare for a winter storm. So we're gearing up today because we've got a winter storm that's coming. They're saying low temperatures. Ice is expected in Augusta, and it's supposed to come in the next 24 hours. So I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going to show you how people really prepare here for what's really going on. I cannot believe I'm saying this ice coming to Augusta. So if you're new here, I'm Delrisa Rollerson, Augusta's relocation specialist. On this channel, I keep it real. I share what it's really like to live here, to work here, to play here, the good, the bad, the unexpected, like today, and everyday realities, just really what you should understand about relocating here to the Augusta, Georgia area. I show you different communities. I show you the homes here. But today, I'm going to show you what storm preparation really looks like on a day-to-day level. So this kind of winter weather, it's not common here. This is not typical at all. I lived in Augusta since 2015. This is the very first winter storm of this magnitude that they're expecting that I've ever experienced here. I mean, I'm from Illinois, so winter weather, I mean, that's not foreign to me. But winter weather in Georgia, that is a different situation because this area, like Augusta, is just not equipped for cold weather. I mean, I was literally at one of my closings the other day, and there were a lot of lone time Augusta natives that were there, and they were already preparing. They were getting their generators. They were mentioning that the last major ice storm here was back in 2014. That was literally just before we moved here to the area because we had polar vortex in Illinois, and they had the winter storm here. Now, because of this winter storm that we're having, the governor, he has already issued a state of emergency for Georgia. So the main challenge here is with the ice storms is just the infrastructure. Augusta, like in a lot of the areas here, our power lines, they're above the ground. Our roads, they're winding, they're turning. We've got hills, no guardrails. Everything here, I mean, it's designed for heat and good weather. It's not designed for freezing conditions. It's not designed for ice. So now back in 2014, when they had the ice storm, some of the areas here, they said they had extended power outages for like 2 weeks. They did not have power for 2 weeks. People were stuck on the expressway, had run out of gas. I mean, it was ridiculous. So I don't want to put anyone in panic, but I'm going to let you all know what we do to plan here. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to go to the store. We're going to run to Walmart. I need to get just a few little things just so we'll be prepared just in case the ice does come and just in case we need to hunker down for a few days. But I just want to go ahead and give you an opportunity so you can see what it's like just basically in this type of environment in Augusta, Georgia when we're preparing for a winter ice storm. Let's go. Okay, so we're here at Walmart. They look pretty crowded today. So we'll get an opportunity to see what they have available. Hopefully they have everything that we need. So as we start out the tuna fish aisle, tuna fish is gone. The beans are gone pretty much. The rice is, we do have a little rice here. Oh my goodness. The cereal aisle, I've never seen the cereal aisle look like this. A lot of cereal is gone. The Jell-O, the pudding, a lot of snacks. And this one is the worst aisle yet as far as inventory is concerned. The bread aisle is, look at this, the bread aisle. I mean, there are some loaves of bread here, but the pickings are thin. You cannot be choosy. If you need bread, this is basically what we have left in Walmart as we prepare for the storm. Peanut butter aisle is pretty much gone. Let's see what we have for water. Of course, Fiji water, the expensive water, is here. Great value. There are some bottles here left. My goodness, there's not much water here at all, you guys. So, see, people, of course, need water because we don't know how long, if power goes out, we don't know how long the power will be out. And water is definitely needed. Toilet paper, paper towel. There's a nice amount of toilet paper and paper towel left. I'm really kind of surprised about this one. Wow. So there you have it. Winter storm preparation here in the Augusta, Georgia area. We are preparing for a storm, you guys. So as usual, my goal is really just to show you what's going on here in the Augusta, Georgia area to help you stay informed on everyday life. So you'll see what it's like. You'll go with me on the journey of living here. You have an opportunity now. You saw what it's like to just basically prepare for it. Now, the people in the store, everybody was still really friendly. I can see, though, in some of the faces that people were concerned. I did overhear a few conversations where people were saying, "Oh, we're not going to have power outage," and but nothing, no panic. Everyone's just basically planning, and everyone is just getting prepared in the event that we do have what the meteorologists are saying that we are going to possibly encounter here in the Augusta, Georgia area in the next 24 hours or so. If you need information or if you want additional information on Augusta, you're wanting information on housing here, of course I can assist you. Feel free to send me a text, send me an email. Better yet, like I always tell you, the best way to get in touch with me is to go ahead and schedule a Zoom. The link is down in the comments. You can schedule a Zoom that's convenient with your calendar. Once again, I'm Delrisa Rollerson, Augusta's relocation specialist. I look forward to meeting you and speaking with you on Zoom, and I'll see you in the next video.